Hey everybody, this is Paul Pon. I'm so excited, and in this training video, it's 100% for free. I'm going to show you, and together with myself and my team, we're going to show you specifically how to utilize a brand new platform for ads called Pinterest ads. Now, Pinterest ads are more powerful than Facebook ads, more powerful than Google, YouTube ads, and so on, because they're so unsaturated. You don't have to worry about an approval process and all that mumbo jumbo stuff. And the beautiful part about this process is that it works for pretty much every industry, but especially for e-commerce, right? And that is why we're so excited to show you this. And I am so pumped because when Yash and I, my business partner Josh and I, when we actually show you some secret strategies on Pinterest ads and how you can leverage and grow for super cheap, literally for pennies on the dollar, you can actually start getting free traffic, leads, and sales for any business starting today. And we're going to show you all the secrets, all the strategies, and everything that you need to actually grow your business. And by the way, right on top as well, or bottom, depending on which device you're using, you will actually see a place to actually text me as well if you have any questions and so on, for the first time ever. So you can communicate with me via phone, you can text me, and I'll reply back to your questions and so on. I also have some cool bonuses and prizes as well for just texting me. That's there right above or below, depending on mobile devices or desktop that you're watching. So that's so exciting as well. And on top of that, with this training, you'll have a step-by-step free process. It's nothing to buy, no need to worry about anything. You just have to follow along step by step, exactly what we're teaching you, especially with Pinterest advertising, and growing your business and taking it to the next level. So I'm so excited, as you can see from my voice. And Yash, are you there? I'm gonna be adding you in just a second here. Are you there? Are you ready?
I'm here. I'm super excited about today's training. Absolutely. Yes.
Awesome.
Everybody can. Perfect.
Awesome.
Yep.
So yeah, you can share your desktop and you can actually show your strategies and so on. But before he gets to that, just a few seconds, I want to also mention, while he's doing all that, I wanted to mention, why is Pinterest ads so powerful? It is because it's so unsaturated. You see, when Facebook first came along, Google, YouTube ads first came along, a lot of people kind of missed out the boat. The few who did, they were one of the first ones, because it's all about competition, right? When there's zero competition for your niches, in your industry, then you're getting all the buyers in the market. There's nobody else, right? That's what we are in right now. With Pinterest, that's where we are in right now. And it's something that is brand new. It is something nobody else is using right now. Very few are. And there's no pesky approval process to deal with, no pesky stuff to deal with. You just have to go through it. You just have to have the step-by-step process that we're going to train you for free, and then you're good to go. This is going to be crisp. It's going to be step-by-step, so there is no room for error. And we're going to keep doing more of this free training if you let us know via comments if you like this type of training as well, okay? Because we want to interact with you, want to get to know you better, and so on as well. So Yash, I'll leave it to you. Let's take it to the next level. And show us everything that we need to know about Pinterest ads and some campaigns that you're running and some things that people can use right away after this training to implement and start getting results.
Absolutely. So before we start, okay, so here's the result, that whatever strategy that I'm going to share you right now and in the future as well, check the results. Okay, so let me show you the results. All right, check the results so far in the last 22 days, right? So these are the results. Okay, we have made over 6 figures in revenue over using all these strategy. So if we can do it using all these strategy, you can do it too, when you know how to do it, when you have the step by step. All right, so I'm going to share my screen and let's dive into it. All right, so Paul, yeah, so you can check your message, right? So yep, yes, so yep, so let me share in the screen, and perfect. So
okay, cool. Yeah, you just share your screen and then I will answer any questions people.
Perfect, guys. All right, so you can see my screen in here, right? All right, so you can see my screen, right, guys? So how we proceed with this, okay? So first of all, you need to understand that how this platform works, and you need to have your account in. So I'm going to show you step by step, okay? So first of all, let me explain in brief that what are we going to cover today, okay? So basically, we are going to cover some secret Pinterest ad strategies to get more leads and to get more sales for your client or for your own e-commerce business, even if you have never ran, or even if you haven't got any sale before, even if you don't know anything about this, even if you think like, I'm not a techie guy, I'm too, but yeah. So you once you know the step by step, that's what we are going to cover. Okay, so even if you have never, like, even if you don't have a Pinterest account, even if you have never used Pinterest before, okay, believe me, just stay till the end and you will exactly, you like, I'm gonna pull back the curtain over step by step strategies to start with Pinterest ads. All right, perfect. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so step number one, go on google.com and search for Pinterest. Okay, search for Pinterest ads. Okay, as I'm seeing, let me magnify it. All right, so I am on Pinterest ads. First of all, you need to go to google.com and you need to type in Pinterest ads. Okay, so once you type in, you will see something like this. Okay, so like number one option, ads.pinterest.com, click on it. Okay, and once you click on this, let me duplicate this here. Okay, and yes, so you will see something like this. Okay, you will see ads.pinterest.com and you'll see reach more people with Pinterest ads, get a business account. Okay, so click on this red, bright red button, get a business account, and click on it. All right. So when you click on it, you'll see get a free business account. Okay. So you'll see get a free business account, unlock pro tools like analytics and ads, and it will basically automatically pull up it will automatically pull up your email address that you have used to create your Pinterest account in the past. All right. So even if you've never used, that's what I said, even if you've never used Pinterest and if you don't have any Pinterest account, then what you can do, you can just go at the down, you see, or log out and create a new account. Just click on create a new account and go with the flow. You see, click on grow your business and click on create account. Right. So I'm not going to show you like to create account because it's super simple because I already created an account. Right. So it will ask for the password. All right, so let me type the password in real quick. All right, so let me type the password in. Perfect. Let's see, let's dive into it. Perfect. Yep, I want to save. Okay, I'll save it. Yep, so yep, hit continue, and then you'll see something like this. Okay, what you'll see, let's click on allow, and you'll see business hub, and you'll see all your pins and everything. Okay, but now the thing that you need to understand, okay, you need to create Pinterest account first. Okay, so if you haven't created any Pinterest account, then go ahead and create it. Or what you can do, just go to Pinterest ads and just click on it. It will show you the option. Okay, so basically I'm already on manager, but it I showed you, right? It will show you the option to create an account. Just create an account. If you already have an account, just what I did, just log in with your email address and with your password. Okay, so now once you created an account, here are a few key things that you need to understand. All right, so click on this avatar, right? Whatever you name your account as, right? It will show at the top, right? You will see a red plus icon there. You will see a notification there. You will see a chat there, and you will see your actual account name. So click on it, and then just click on it. Okay, just click on profile. Okay, just click on profile. So when you see this here, your profile will, you see, like this is the profile that I created. Okay, so basically now you say like, okay, I want to do it for my client, I want to do it for different niches, I want to do it for different products in my store. How can I do it? So let me share you. Okay, so once you added any name, what you need to do, just go to edit info. Okay, and you can now change anything you want here. Okay, let's say you want to change your display name, right? You want to put it, let's say your name, your store name, or any general name you want to, you can. All right, you can also put your username, whatever you want, like vegan supplement 2020 I added, right? Anything you want, and then just let it be. And then basically what you gotta do is just hit save. Okay, I didn't make any changes, so let me make some changes, like best natural 2020. Okay, So just hit done, and there you go. Okay, and you can change the profile picture too. Now here are some recommendations I recommend you for profile picture. For
Yeah,
profile
sure.
picture,
Okay, can you zoom in a little bit as well? Some comments on zooming in a little bit. Yeah,
yeah,
that's good.
this is perfect. All right, so you will see this photo here, and you will see change option. So when you click on change option, you can change you can change your profile picture. I recommend add a general picture, add your own picture, add your logo, add anything you want to, and just hit done. Okay, so that is what you need to do with your account. Okay, now once you are done with all of this, in Pinterest itself, what I'm doing, just do the same. Okay, so just do the same, just follow me. Okay, so what you need to do, just follow me step by step. Okay, so you need to have 5 boards. Okay, Pinterest call it 5 boards. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Let's say you are doing it for, let's say you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to do affiliate marketing with it, or let's say you want to do it for your e-commerce. Okay, so what you gotta do, any niche, okay, just think about some 5 resonating niche based on your niche. So what do you mean by that, Yash? All right, so here's what I mean. Okay, so let's say you sell health supplements. Okay, so okay, I sell health supplements. Now for me, some recommendation or some normal niche that that resonates with that with that health supplement is like, number one is health and fitness, number two is natural supplements, number three maybe like workouts or something like that. So have those 5 ideas. Okay, 5 ideas or 5 niche name in your mind, and just go ahead and add those niche in and create the board per niche basis. So what do you mean by that? Let me show you. Okay, so once you're in your account, you'll see how to go how to come to your account. Is you need to click on the avatar option there. You'll see best natural 2020. Just click on it, you will come here, so whatever your name is, and now click on create board. Okay, when you go to create board, and now I'm gonna be like home workout. Okay, so you need to be like home workout, and do not keep this board secret, let it be, and just hit create. Okay, and Pinterest will show you some recommended options, like add this or something like that. Just save few of them into your board. You don't need to worry about that. Like I get some questions, right? Why do I add other people pins? Because you're just starting out and you have nothing in your board, so it doesn't look professional. So I recommend you like add like it doesn't matter, you just add because when you run Pinterest ads, you will only choose your pins, not other people pins. So it will just it will look like, oh, you have some content there. So hope that makes sense. Just add 5 random pins. Okay, I'm done with it, just hit done, and I am good to go. Perfect. All right, so let me create one more board, just so you can see how easy peasy this is, right? So I created this board, right? Let me show you the boards. You'll see I created 2 boards, natural supplements and home workout. Okay, and let me create one more board. Let's say one more board, one more board. Okay, vegan supplements. Okay, vegan supplements. All right, and then vegan supplements, hit create on the red button, and just add 5 any kind of pins that you see, 1 2 3 4, and just okay, this looks perfect. Yep, 5, and just hit done. Okay, you see how easy peasy this is, right? And just you come here on the profile, and now when you go here in the board section, you'll see now 3 boards. Vegan supplements, we just created it, right? Home workout, we just created it. And natural supplements, I already created yesterday. Okay, so the number one step that you need to do is go ahead and create a Pinterest account, and then convert that Pinterest account into a business account. How to do this? Go to ads.pinterest.com and just log in, and boom, convert it into a business account. Number 3, on the next step, you need to do create 5 boards. Okay, create 5 boards in your pin account related to your niche. Like my niche is, let's say, natural home supplements. Okay, like natural supplements, so I'll add like home workout, health and health and wellness, vegan supplements, and everything. Okay, so add 5 boards, and in those 5 boards, add at least 5 pins from other people. Don't worry about that, why am I adding other people's pins? Because when you run Pinterest ad, you will only choose yours, not others. So that's a trick. All right. So yep. So now once you're done with this, I will only create 2 of them, and you go ahead with create 5, 3 more, and you get my point, right? Now what to do? Now is the secret strategy. All right. So now my strategy is, let me show you. All right. So let me open it in the new tab, and let me show you a real life example of this. Okay. So when you just search on cool products, let me search for cool products. Okay, cool products or something like this. You'll see like cool product. These are like images and everything. But what I want you to pay close attention to is how, you see how these people are having like like a listicle. Okay, this is what my method is. Okay, a listicle method. Okay, so everybody do this, right? It's pretty easy. So what it is basically you create a blog post. All right, so let me show you, by the way. So let's see if this have it or no. Let's see. All right, so you create a blog post, guys, like this. Okay, and what you do, hear me out here. Okay, so what you do, you just create a blog post on any WordPress site, any blog platform you want to use. Okay, you create a blog post, and then where you talk about the product. Okay, you talk about the list. Okay, so how to do it for your niche, how to do it for your product. So hear me out here. Okay, so let's say you have 10 products and you sell supplements, health supplements. Okay, let's say protein supplements, right? Then what you do, you see like 10 best protein supplements that you haven't heard of in 2020, right? 10 or 5, 6, go start with 5, then do 6, but I do recommend at least go with 5. That means listicle. Okay, 5 best natural supplements, 5 best I'll show you. You can get some ideas from here. Just search on random, search random, like best let's say if you're doing it for jewelry, I get some question like yeah, that how do I market my jewelry store, right? Some, maybe we have some jewelry stores, right? So you can be like, okay, 13 insanely cool gifts that your spouse will love. You see how crazy that is? And that's pretty simple, right? And 5 best protein supplement that will boost your immunity, or 5 best vegan supplements that will boost your immunity in 2020, or something like that. And you create the blog post. Okay. So now the next step is go ahead. Okay. Hear me out here. Go ahead and create a blog post. Now you will say, right, okay, I don't know which type of products we add here. So guys, basically any type of product you can use here. Affiliate marketing as well, you can sell other people product as well here. It doesn't need to be your own product, but if you want to do it for your own store, you can do it too. You see, so what you need to do, just copy and paste the title. Let's say 20 cool gift ideas that your spouse will love in 2020. Okay, you add the picture here like wow, or now we'll show you where to find these cool images. All right, a free source of free stock images, right? We'll show you the where to find these images. But what you do, you just add some portion here, you can write it down, and now you come with 20. This is the product name, product picture, product description, and check out the product. So the strategy that you need to follow: product title, product image, product benefits, features, benefits, more of benefits, and the button. And then in here just make a red button, green button, any button you want to, and just link it to your affiliate link if you want to promote affiliate offers, or link it to any kind of store that you want to promote, and your store you want to promote. You see how simple and easy peasy this is. All right, so I'm gonna stop, okay, for a second. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and I'm gonna ask you, okay, are you getting it or no? Let me know. Type yes. Are you getting it? Are you loving it? Type yes or no. Yes or no. Type in the comment section. Type yes or no. Are you loving it or no? Or this is dope? Or like yeah or nah? Type that. Type in. I can see all of your questions, and hit like show your love with just comments and reactions. I'm gonna all right. All right, awesome, perfect. I want every one of you. All right, perfect, awesome, great. So I'm gonna show you just a sec. All right, So this is some idea sources that I'm gonna show you some ideas from. Okay, so this is where I want you. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen real quick, and yes, 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 perfect, perfect. Can you really? Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, so that is perfect, Nina. All right, perfect. So, all right, so yep, so you can see my screen, right? Perfect. Yes. So basically, now once you're done with this, now what to do, Yash? What's next step, right? So here's the next step. But for those of you guys who haven't created the blog post yet, what you need to do is there's a free pick, free pick here. You can search for some ideas, like you can download some images for free here from free, like pop art, just type pop art images, you see, wow, pop, you see, exactly same images like this. You can get some ideas from here, free stock images. Or what you can do, getting if you want to get some more ideas, if you want more ideas, you can just type search here in and you get it, right? So pretty much super cool, easy peasy, right? Now what to do? So now here is the next step. Okay, so now you need to have actual, let me show you, you need to have actual pen like this to promote this blog. Okay, so now I don't know how to create this pin. Okay, how to do it? Here's how you do it using a free software, canva.com. Okay, so if you never use Canva, then I'm going to show you step by step. But if you use Canva, perfect. And if you don't have any account on Canva, then go ahead and create your account. It's free. Perfect. And now once you're on Canva, what I want you to do is go ahead and click on this blue, light blue button which says create a design. Click on create a design and just search in the box here Pinterest. All right, Pinterest. I'm gonna show you. Yes, so Pinterest pin comes up and just click on it. And then once you click on it and go to the third option in from left, yeah, from my left, so you can think about from your, you can get it from your end, your left. Okay, from your left you will see templates, photos and elements. Go ahead and click on elements, search for grid. Okay, search for grid, and now it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you in how many section you want to divide it into. Now what do you mean by that, Yash? So here's what I mean by it. All right, so let me show you some examples here really quick. Right, so I showed you this example, right? This is super simple, right? So this is three sections. One this image, one is this text, and again this image, right? So this example is of like a two sections, number one section and number two section. Okay, number one section is like the text and number two is the image. Okay, so you can go ahead with one section or two section. Okay, so when you go to grid, when you choose this, okay, so this is the two section. Okay, you see like two images. So let me magnify it. So hope that makes sense, right? So okay, oops, yeah, so you get my point, right? So I don't want to do it. I prefer three looks better, right? And now what you need to do is either what you can do, you can get image ideas from here. Okay, from here that you want to add, or what you can do, you can come to Canva itself and you can search for, let's say I'm doing supplements, right? Supplement, right? So let's search supplement and just add the images there. You see what I'm saying? Just let me show you. It's so easy peasy, just drag and drop it, so easy peasy, and then just again, any image you like, or let's say if you don't have like any images which are here, then what you can do, you can add your own product image or some images that relate. Okay, that relates that what your blog is all about. It doesn't need to be your product image. Okay, I get a lot of question about, do I need to add my product image or not? But it doesn't need to be your product image, just any image, right, which gets attention. Okay, which gets attention. Like maybe, like shocking image. Oh, like, you see what I'm saying, right? So attention grabbing, or maybe showing your product, like this, right? So if you haven't checked so let me add what, like one natural. So I'm gonna add it here. Okay, so now it looks like pretty much like this. Now, like the previous one. Now what to do is again, basically add the white color, the white background. Just search for white, just white background, something like that. Just search for white, anything like that, and just come here and just drag it and drop it. It's that simple. It's that simple, and just make it white. So let me, yeah, you can change the color. You see, red, green, yellow, but I'll make it white. Okay, and then once it is white, just go to the text and just add a text, right? Any text, any text effect that you want to do, right? So let's say I'll do add a 5 heading. So let's say three, okay, 5 cool gift ideas that your spouse, okay, that your spouse will love, something that your girlfriend will love, so this is, let's say I'm promoting, jewelry store. So I know that, I haven't added the I didn't add the normal images, like I added vegan supplements, and I am talking about, gift ideas, but you get my point, right? I'm just showing for you, like, to get some ideas and get some, ideas machine, so just let me add it, and you can change the color. You let me change the color. Let's make it green. Oops, let's make it green. Let's make it love. Okay, love looks red, right? So this is perfect, isn't it? And then what you do is you can get some ideas from here. You can search on Pinterest. You can get some ideas there. And you see what I'm saying, right? You can add a 5 stars here as well if you want to. You can search on element and search for stars, okay? Stars, right? Star. Let's see. Star, star. Okay, star. 5 star, something like that, right? So you can add this here, okay? Drag it and boom, drop it. All right, you can always change it. Let me show you how to do it, right? So I just need to just scroll a bit, and then just add the star. It needs to be a little bit, you get my point. You see how cool this. You can add, it's totally up to your imagination how you think, some color ideas. Maybe you change the typography, maybe you change the color, maybe you change the font, maybe you change the background, maybe you change the color of the text itself, maybe you add the different image. It's up to you. Perfect. But now just we are good to go. Just hit on download, and it's PNG, everything's good. Just hit download. Let's do it. Download. All right, so now it's downloading. Now how to run this as an ad. All right, so now what you do, you come to your Pinterest profile like this, pretty easy peasy. Okay, and then you come to pins. Okay, you come to pins. Okay, let me show you. Perfect. So now you choose in which board. Okay, hear me out here. Okay, in which board you want to add this pin in. You can add this pin in your, let's say, your natural supplements blog board, or vegan supplement board, or home workout, or any category that you've added. All right, so let's say I will go with vegan supplements or something like that. Okay, and when you go to vegan supplements, you'll see something like this. Okay, at the top of the name of the board itself, okay, it says vegan supplement. You will see 4 options: a plus icon, a pencil, a share button, and just some sparkles, so get pin code, So what you need to do, just focus on the number 1 option, because you need to be number 1. Okay, so always focus on the number 1 option. I'm just kidding, but yeah, sometimes almost all the time you just need to go for the number 1 option, because you need to be at the top of the game, and I know you will be at the top of the game when you will stay till the end. I hope you're loving it. If you're loving it, type in the chat box or in the comment section, right? You're loving it, so that it gives me it, like it works like a rocket fuel for me, so I really appreciate all of your support, guys. So now let's move into it. Let's continue. Okay, so you click number 1 option. Okay, number 1 option, and you will see two options. Okay, add section and 2 categories to choose, and create pin. Just click on create pin. Okay, so when you see create pin, you'll see, oh, what's this happening, what's this? Okay, just click on next, click on next, click on next, click on take two. Okay, I don't want to take two, but let's see, let's cancel it. Okay, yep. So now whichever image that you downloaded from Canva, just drag and drop. Pretty easy, isn't it? Pretty easy peasy, right? And just add the title. Add the title. 5 cool gift gift ideas that your spouse, that my mom, for me it's not spouse here, it's about that my mom, my mom will love, that my that, that my future spouse will love. And perfect, right? So you can tell more about this description here. And now you can add the destination link here. Okay, now what do I need to add in a destination link? Do I need to add the product page itself, or do I need to add the blog link? So you never have to link your product page. No, 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 no. Okay, you need to add your blog itself, so that on your blog you can promote affiliate offer, you can sell your own offer, you can do it for your client, you can do it for your own self. And those of you who are doing with wholesale robot, you can do it too. Just add the products and do it, right? If you want, by the way, if you want more information about wholesale robot, it will be like, either at the top or bottom. If you want more information, right? We covered a lot about that. So yeah, so now what you do is just add the blog link. I'm just taking this blog as an example, right? And then publish immediately. Okay, so and tell everyone what your point is about. You can leave it as it is, I don't even touch it. But in case if you want to add, you can add, like, here I will show about the 5 products, whatever you feel that will be good here. But now, so a quick recap. Okay, so whatever you do on Pinterest, you need to always you need to have 3 variants. Okay, that means 3 different pins about the same topic. Okay, I will explain in a bit why it needs to be that, but you get my point, right? So variants mean, what do you mean, Yash? That means what you need to do, you just need to add different images, and basically for that same blog that you are promoting, for that same blog or for that same idea, you create at least 3 different variants, right? Maybe in 3 different variant, in one variant let it be, and maybe in the different variant, that means the different variant of this, you change top image, and you let the bottom image as it is. And let's say in the third variant, you don't change anything, maybe you change the text font or typography or the color or the design. You see what I'm saying? So this is what we call split testing or A/B testing or multivariate testing, right? So it seems so technical, Yash. Can I do it? Absolutely, you can. Just stay till the end, okay? By the way, just stay till the end. Stay till the end, okay? So basically, what we will do now, once you have those 3 variants up, you need to upload. Okay, let me do it right in front of you, okay? So I just downloaded this, one variant. So let's create one more variant, okay? So let's create one more variant. Okay, I'm gonna add different image. So I'm gonna add like jewelry, jewelry. Oh wow, this looks perfect. Yep. So I just add it here, and let's see. If you want to change something else, you can. Like, so let's So yeah, one more thing. It doesn't mean that you are changing the blog. Okay, never change the main idea that you're promoting. You're promoting your blog, which says about 5 cool gift ideas that your spouse will love. Okay, you're not changing the idea. You're not changing the blog. You're not changing the actual main hook of the ad itself. You're just changing, let's say maybe people like that image, maybe sometimes people like that image. It's what we are going to do, split testing. Okay, so just download it. So we just downloaded second version. Okay, so it's preparing, just let it be, just having some fun here. All right, just Canva, right? So now we downloaded the second version. Now in the third version, what you do, let's say you feel like, oh, the second image is not looking good, I want to see, like, I like these 2 images. Okay, so in first variant I'll add this image, and the second variant I'll add this image, something like this. Oh, I see, like, this will work. And in the third variant I'll think, like, I need to change this love, but this I want to make it not bold, because it's bold, it's looking weird. So I want to add monstret, right? The monstret, the monster, monstret font. Okay, yeah, this seems like aesthetic, like elegant. Oh, this looks perfect, and this is the third variant that Yash said. So I'm gonna okay, I don't like this three stars. I'm gonna delete it. Okay, so I'm gonna maybe like, I'm gonna be like, mm, maybe I'm gonna be like still. And what I'll do, I will change the color into gray. Yash said always do something different, so I'll go with gray because gray kind of resonate with this. So this looks perfect. And let me make spouse again the green, right? So it totally depends on your creativity. So here, and okay, so as Yash suggested, three variants, I am going to download the three variants. So here are the three variants. Now what to do? Now just upload all of them having the same title and having the same link to Pinterest. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, upload number one variant and just type the data. Just type the link in. Sorry, not link, but the title in, and publish immediately. And publish. Go ahead. Right. And yeah, one quick thing I wanna tell you. Okay, so because we have chosen this image, right? Save to vegan supplements. So now you need to make sure that because if you remember, we've chosen this, okay, vegan supplements board. Okay, always remember, whichever board you choose, you need to add all three variants into the one board. Okay, or you can add into different boards, just but I do recommend adding in one board just for you, that you're clear and you have everything in one place. It's general to make everything. My kiss formula, never forget my kiss formula. Keep it super simple. Perfect. Cool. So again, I'm gonna go to vegan supplements, and again, I'm gonna go to the number one option because you need to be on the top. You deserve to be at the top. You deserve that unfair advantage because you're watching it. Maybe you're watching the replay, or you're attending it live. You're contributing. You're staying to the end. You're watching it live. You're watching the replay. You deserve to get that unfair advantage. If you think that I deserve, type in the comments. Okay, I deserve unfair advantage. I know that Yash can do it. I can do it too. It's pretty easy peasy. Any thoughts in the comment section? Okay, in the comment section. Type in the comment section. Okay, I'm waiting. I'm seeing all your comments. Type in the comment section. All right. All right. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Cool. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. Right. So what's next? Again, number one. Always go with number one. Number one option. Create pin. Drag and drop the second variant, copy and paste the same title, and copy and paste the same blog ID. Oh, sorry, the blog link. Easy peasy? Easy peasy, right? Publish. Okay, so I hit publish two times. Now let's do it third time. Okay, so let's do it. So easy peasy. Again, go to the plus icon. Okay, now yeah, again go to the profile, and again, always choose. Just make sure always you choose that same board. Okay, I'm gonna go to same board. Now you'll say that Yash, doesn't it create like some like some confusion in people? So believe me, guys. Okay, it won't, because when you run this as an ad, I'll show you how it looks like. People will only see that pin ads. They will never see your board until unless they come to your profile. Okay, so just in case when they come to your profile, they look like, oh, you have some content out there. Hope that makes sense, right? So again, click on it, and click on plus icon. Click on create pin. I again chose the vegan supplement and drag and drop the third image, and then copy and paste the title. Oops. Okay, so this is the blog link, and copy and paste. Okay, I kind of forget to add that. Okay, let me type it. 5 cool gift ideas that my future spouse will love. You see, I want to do it, but I can't do it. Like they'll like people who will see this at, oh, future, I have spouse right now. Perfect, right? So just hit publish, right? So just hit publish, and let's see, publish. Go ahead. Perfect. Boom. Perfect. Now what I need to do, Yash? I want to run Pinterest ads. That's what I'm attending it live. Okay. So let's come to that part real quick. All right. Now what you do, you go to your profile again, you go to Business Hub, and then on Business Hub, it looks like, oh, wow, 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 wow. Okay, a lot of things here. Okay, one ad, two ad, three ads. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I want to see. I want to be overwhelmed, but on the other hand, I want to get some results as well. I want to get sales as well. Yeah, perfect. Now, what you do basically, you just go to Pinterest ads. Okay, just type in google.com and Pinterest ads, and just add the click on the number one link. Okay, just to get to the ads manager. Okay, so check this out. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, perfect. So just add, just choose your country. You'll use depend the currency you're building. So let me check my country real quick. My country, 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 my country. United States. If you are in UK, you can do. If you are in Australia, you can do Canada, Cyprus, Denmark, Italy, Japan, Hong Kong, Hungary, France, Germany. I'll go with United States. Hit next. When you hit next, let's see, updated advertising account. Oh wow, it just updated something. What did it update? All right, nothing. Cool. Just hit accept. Okay. And now, before you do anything, just it will show you you're just so close. You're just so close to get your first sale. Okay, you're so close to get your first sale. What you need to do? Show me the money. Okay, show me the money. Come on, guys, show me the money. If you're attending, show me your credit card right now. Okay, show me your credit card right now. Show me in your webcam. I'm just kidding. Just go ahead and add the billing. You won't be billed until unless you charge, but add your business name, your agency name, anything. Phone number, address. Are you an agency? If you're an agency, type no. If you're doing it for yourself, just type no. If you're doing as an agency, just let it be yes or no, whatever you choose. No problem. And building history, it won't see anything. And when you save, again, credit cards and everything, so that's the normal. I don't want to go in depth. It's pretty simple, isn't it? So you just come here in billings, you can change anything you want to. But now what you need to do, pay close attention to this. Okay, so now you see, right? Okay, Yash, I always stuck at something. I don't know which code, like this technical code that I need to add, like in the tracking code. How do I track that I'm getting clicks and all that? So first I'll show you how to do the tracking. Okay, how to set up the Pinterest tag. Okay, Pinterest calls it a Pinterest tag, where basically it tracks everything. So what you do, you'll see two options. Okay, analytics is a drop down menu, and ads, it's a drop down menu. Okay, so when you click on the drop down menu, you'll see create ad, overview, reporting, bulk editor, conversions, audience, and billing and everything. Right, just click on conversion. Let's see how it looks like. I don't know what it looks like, but I'll show you. Why install a Pinterest tag? Okay, so first of all, you will track conversions, how many people are coming on your websites or using your promoted pins that you're going to promote. It will give you the data you need to evaluate your campaign success. Okay, it will help you to build audiences in the future, that okay, I want to build an audience of this people who have visited my site, or I want to remark and all that stuff. I'm going to show you step by step. Don't worry about that. I'm here, I have your back. All right, perfect. So just click on create Pinterest tag, which says like, just click on the just I can click after, just like if I just close my eyes, I can click it because it's a red, bright red color. So yeah, which says create Pinterest tag. Click on it, and it will show you just tag name, any name you want to give it, your store name, your client name, your e-com store name, your affiliate offer name, anything. So let's say I will say I'll go with my mom's name, because she's lucky for me, like perfect. you know so perfect. I'm gonna say done. This is my mom's name. So what I'm gonna do, perfect, I'm done with it. All right, so now what you need to do, you'll see three options. So now it's getting into a little bit technical side. I'm getting overwhelmed. No, you don't need to worry about it. Just follow this step. You'll see three options. Okay, connect using a partner, install manually, or send instruction. Okay, I don't want to connect with my partner. I don't want to send instruction. I want to do it manually. So just choose the second option, manually add a tag, just install manually. Okay. and you will see something like this. Install the base code. Okay, okay, base code. What's this code? Oh wow, this is too technical. Oh, I get, oh man, I get quit. Oh, you don't need to do it. You just copy and paste and just it's so easy peasy. Okay, so what it says now, focus on this. Okay. What it says, let's see. Be sure to put the base code between head and head tags in your HTML document. So now if you don't know about this, don't worry. If you're on WordPress, then there's a plugin which says insert headers and footers plugin in your WordPress. Just you know install that plugin and just add it. And if you're doing on other e-com site builders, like using our wholesale robot or other e-com site builders, then I do recommend you to just ask for support. And or we already have a tutorial section in it, I have a tutorial about it. So go check the tutorial out. Or if you use it for your own, if you have like your own drag and drop website builder, then just ask their support guys, like where's the header section, or Google it. It's pretty simple. You just need to copy and paste. Okay. So I'm gonna copy and just click on copy code and paste it. That's it. And when you paste it, you can basically track it. Just you don't need to worry about it. Like Pinterest tag helper Chrome extension. So basically, what is this, guys? Basically, this is the tag helper. That means once you installed it, okay. So let me show you what do I mean by that. Okay, once you successfully installed it, okay, installed it on your site, then what it says, basically, let me add it, let me show you real quick. So it will come here like this. Okay, it will come here. So basically it will come here. Then what you gotta do now, just go to your blog where you installed, okay, where you installed the pixel, the Pinterest tag, we say, and then go to that Pinterest tag, and it will suddenly highlight with a red color, and when you click on it, it will say, "Whoo, wow, base code page load event was sent successfully." If you see this message, you are on the right track. If you don't see it, then copy and paste into the page again and try to refresh or try to use a different browser. You will get it. Don't worry. Okay. No tag issues or warnings found. You are good to go. Go ahead and let's come to actual creation of the ad itself. Hope you're loving it. If you're loving it so far, if you're attending it so far, if you're watching it replay, type in the comment section. Are you loving it? Are you like, is it like amazing? Yeah or nah? Say me yeah or nah, in the comment section. Because now I'll be super, super slow because I don't want to share this secret strategy with my neighbor. Okay, it's only for you guys. Okay, so I'm just kidding, but let's go into the point here. And again, analytics drop down, ads drop down. Click on the ads drop down menu. You'll see again different options here: create ad, overview, reporting, bulk editor, conversion, audience, everything. Just click on the number one. Because why you need to click on number one? Because you deserve that unfair advantage, because you're attending it live, because you're watching the replay. All right, perfect. I love you guys. Perfect. So click on create ad, and now it's getting interesting. Now let's see what to do. All right, so it says different things: brand awareness, video views, app install, traffic. This, okay, I want traffic. Yes, I want traffic. Campaign name, I'll do campaign name my future I'm just kidding, my future spouse, but you just make sure you add your product name, your client name, your brand name. But uh this is like pretty simple. Daily spend limit, it's optional, just let it be, and then you just hit continue. All right, what else? Add group name. Okay, so I am creating this ad to find my future spouse. I'm just kidding here, guys. You need to add your product name, you need to add your brand name, you need to add which product you're promoting, or maybe your blog title. I'm just going random, So perfect. Now audience. Now it's getting interesting. Okay. Add interest. Okay, now let's see. Do they have any interest or to find future spouse? Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, they have it. Weddings. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do that, but yeah. So now Now it depends on your niche itself. Okay, so let's say I'm in jewelry, right? Jewelry. Oh, people who are interested in women's jewelry. Wow, perfect. I want to target that audience, People who are interested in armory, jewelry, bracelet, wedding accessories for men, and any niche you can think about this. Let me show you by supplement, Supplement. Oh, supplement. Okay, people who are interested in vitamins, people who are interested in nutrition, people who are interested in weight loss. You see how laser targeted that is, right? So just go, all interest, and just, you can also design. You can just spend, 5 to 10 minutes here, but I'll go with the jewelry one. Where is it? Jewelry, home decor, anything. It's so interesting, just you can spend your whole day here, just finding some great ideas, niche ideas and everything, right? So home decor, and let's say, I'm not in home decor, let's say I'm doing it for jewelry, right? Jewelry. So women's jewelry and accessories, right? So women jewelries and accessories. How many interests you recommend, Yash, to choose? So I do recommend is always choose one interest per campaign. Okay. So just click on one thing that you think like has a huge potential audience, like 1.6 million, 1.7 million, right? It's a huge audience, right? Do not choose like I'll choose everything. No, no, never do it. Okay, what you can do is choose one audience per campaign. I'm going to show you how to actually duplicate the campaign and do it everything, but you get my point. Audience one one choose. In keyword also you can add some keywords, but again, you need to find keywords now, but just skip it for now. Genders, you can pick specific genders, but I recommend all genders. Ages, I recommend go with specific ages. If you know that you're if you nailed it into your messaging, if you nailed it into your product. But generally speaking, I go with all ages because I don't know all US locations, or you can pick specific locations. Languages, just all languages. Devices, all devices. Ad group placement, let it be all recommended. Okay, use your pen to expand your targeting. Always uncheck this. Okay, always uncheck this. Never give this permission to let the Pinterest ad to spend money like crazy. All right, just always start with $15. Start with $10, $15, anything. And then I will show you optimization, automatic or custom. Let it be automatic for now, for each you're starting. Okay, now what to do now? You see this ads. Now what you do, you add one pin, two pin, and three pin. You choose, you remember. Now this is what we call split testing on steroids. Okay, so what do I mean by that? You see, now it's making sense. Now it's connecting everything. Okay, you created three variants because now you have one campaign targeting one audience which love jewelry stores, and you're showing them three different ads. Okay, and once let the ad run for 2-3 days, and let's see if this ad is giving you more clicks, or this ad is giving you more clicks, or this ad is giving you more clicks. You see, I'm saying this is split testing on steroids. How many of you agree with me? If you agree with me, type in the comment section that yes, this is split testing on steroids. Type yes, type yes, type no, type I like it, I don't like it. It's interesting. It's not interesting. Type in the comment section. Come on, type in the comment section, okay? Because I'm loving it, to be honest. Yeah, perfect, awesome, good, 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 good. Now what to do? What to do now? What to do? What to do? What to do? Now, I always stuck at this place. I always feel like, I've never done this thing that, am I right? Did I set up everything right? Because I need to be 100% correct, right? Because we always feel like this. Did I everything? Because I always need to have my all ducks in the row. I need to be like, because maybe for some of you, it's out of your comfort zone. You see what I'm saying? Maybe for some of you it's out of your comfort zone because you've never did it, right? We always have this, we just want to launch it once it's completely right. Okay, there should not be any mistake from my end, at least. Okay, so if you follow this here, if you're going to choose one audience, if you're going to choose three ads in one ad group itself, you are good to go. Don't worry, everything is green signal, and hit launch. Okay, perfect, 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 perfect. Oh, what's happening? What's happening here? Is it launching? Oh, yes, it's launching. Yes, it is launching the stair. What is happening? Perfect. Let me cancel this. Cancel this. What happened? Okay, so maybe, oh, so it's maybe it's loading up, let it be, because don't worry about this, maybe this is life, this is the actual life, anything can happen, just so you know that, oh, you're prepared, oh, it's happening, let it be, let it load, but you get my point, don't you? Let me know in the comment section, all right? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen, and I'm gonna come in the main screen. You can see me, right? You can see me, perfect, awesome, perfect, 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 yes indeed, perfect. Uh-huh. uh, yes, it is cheaper than Facebook ads for some time. Sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes it's expensive, but almost 80%, 85% is cheaper. And to give you some motivations, right? To give you motivation, guys, here's the result in just the whatever the strategy that I'll share in the future as well. On the strategy I'm sharing, guys. Here are the results, the strategy. Okay, so I already shared it, but let me show you again. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, where is that? You see, 6 figures. I started literally a 3rd of March. Okay, I started with this store 3rd of March, and literally use these strategies that I'm gonna share. I'm sharing right now. I'll share in the future. I started this thing, and it's just on steroids. Okay, I mean, if you agree with me, let me know. Type yes, type no in the chat box. Okay, I've made so far over 6 figures, pretty easy. Check this out. Check this out. You see this graph? I started it on the 3rd of March, and that's the result. All right. So if I can do this using the strategies, and you can do it too, I know you, believe in you guys. Okay. Because why do I believe in you? Like, I didn't even talk to you, right? Because I believe in you, because you're watching it live, because you're staying till the end. Okay. You're staying till here. Or maybe you're watching the replay because you're committed. Okay. Because you know you need to get it right. You need to just take action. You just need to launch it, and you deserve, that sales will come, your clients will come, customers will come. You know it, and I believe in you guys. Okay, this is cool, perfect, awesome. You're loving it. All right. So, quick thing. If you basically, if you were only from Pinterest ads, yep, I use Pinterest ads, Facebook ads. I'm gonna show everything. Okay, what I did. All right. So, yep. One more thing, guys. I just wanna say, we'll end this call. We'll end this group call. Group live in the next 5 to 6 minutes. But I just wanna announce the winners from our last webinar. Okay, from our last Facebook group live. Okay, so. Mm-hmm. So. Just a second. All right. I have the winners list in here, because the winners who shared the video. So if you want to win again, so basically what's the prize and everything, I'm going to show you. But yeah, just a general, just a general point of view, right? So, yep. So I think I have in my desktop, right? So the winners, the number one, okay? Number one winner is the mayor. Okay, so we are going to choose 6. Okay, so what you're going to win, you are. Thank you so much, Nina. All right. Yep. Thank you so much. Yep. So no, Nina, you just follow it and believe me. Okay, I started with $10. I just made $10, and I basically, once I get the confidence, okay, I bump it up. I make like $20, $30, $40, and now 6 figures. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. So basically, number one winner. Okay. So what are you gonna win? You basically, the results, the basically the prize is, all right. So you want, okay, one on one call with us to go over through your business. One call, live one call on Skype, whichever medium you prefer, with me and Paul. Okay. So any type of question that you have. All right. So number one, the winner is, okay. So we are going to choose 5 winners for now. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Yes. So the winner, number one winner, okay? Damir, okay? Damir, congratulations, all right? Damir, congratulations, all right? So, number two, okay? Number two, okay, we have the list. Donald, okay? Number two, Donald, okay? Number three, Nina. Congratulations, Nina. Congratulations, Donald. Congratulations, Damir. Right? And number four is, you have the list. Number four is Ryan. Okay? Number four, Ryan. All right? And number five, Michelle. All right? Michelle Kine. All right? So, number six, Ibrahim. Okay? Ibrahim. So, congratulations to all the winners: Ibrahim, Michelle, Ryan, Nina, Donald, and Damir. You won one-on-one call with me, with Paul. So we can go over to your business, we can go over to any question that you have, anything that you want to ask, you know. And yes, you Nina, absolutely. Yes, you Nina. Yes, you Donald. Yes, you Michelle. So you guys also can win it, okay? So what you gotta do once the replay will be up, you just need to share it in a group, any group you wanna. All right, you just need to share. You just need to, you just need to share your profile, your page, your group, and yes, you can also win. And the last thing I want to say, okay, so you want this thing, okay, so that's the thing. All right, yeah, and one more thing I want to say, which is the last thing, which is, those of you guys, this is the special bonus, okay, for those of you who are watching it live, who are watching it the replay. Now this is something we have never done before, okay? Okay, so we, not even, not me, okay, Paul, okay, Paul is gonna, Paul is gonna personally answer all your questions one on one, not on the call, but via text for free. It is for everyone, okay? But in case if you want to win the one-on-one call with Paul and with me, just make sure you share this video. Once the replay is up, you can share it. It's pretty easy. But for those of you who are watching it live and those who are watching it the replay of it, so here is the secret bonus that we have, is Paul's gonna personally answer all your questions for free, one-on-one. You just need to text him 314 4234. This is his number, and basically he'll reply back to you and give you some more access to some advanced more training, and it will give you an update and everything, text only, guys, text only. All right, so that's what you need to do. That's the secret bonus for all of you watching the live or watching the replays. We want to thank you in a big way. Okay, we're coming on some more secret bonuses, right? So get excited. But so far, if you want to win one-on-one call, okay, one-on-one call with me and Paul, and then just share this video, share the training, all right, in your group, or in the, in a page, in your profile. And now for those, all of you, you can ask all of your questions directly to Paul, okay, directly to Paul. You just need to and he will answer all your questions personally, one-on-one, for free, for $0. Okay, you just need to text him. Here's his number again: +1 United States code, +1 314 315 4234, +1 is the country code, 314 315 4234. You can always look at the descriptions, the number will also be available there. And thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys watching, staying till the end, watching the replay. You're like, you're spending your precious time with us. We really appreciate you. And we're, and we're gonna do, like, we're gonna, maximize our efforts. You'll see it, okay, more frequent trainings and everything. All right, any of your questions, type in the comments and I'll answer your questions back. And what else, and any suggestion that you have, any future training that you want, like, okay, I want to on this, on, I want more on like this, I want more like this. All right, I want more training on like this, something like that. You can always, ask in the comments. And last thing, if you want more information, I get a lot of questions about wholesale robot. So guys, for that I always link at the top or at the bottom. No, so yeah, so for the wholesale robot I'll add the link, but I think all of you get it. So yeah, in case if you have any questions, you can DM me about wholesale robot, but I'm not gonna add. Okay, so yes, so yeah, so the link is all not for wholesale robot is not there, but yes, all of you get it. In case if you have any questions about wholesale robot, okay, not technical questions, but let's say if you just want to inquire, you can always DM me personally on Facebook in case if you want to. But a secret bonus, a special bonus for you, you can now personally text with the master, Paul, all right, with with the legend, okay, Paul, one-on-one for free. The number is 314-315-4234. And those of you want to win one-on-one call with me and Paul, you just need to share the training and everything, just training, this training you'll find when the replay is up. And once again, thank you so much for attending it live. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with us. All right, we have your back. I believe in you. And never forget about taking care of yourself, your family, and your loved ones, and your health. All right. And simultaneously grow your business, scale your business, and have that financial freedom, achieve that financial freedom, using the strategy and everything. Grow your business, start your business. Okay. That's it for today. I hope you love this training. If you love this, type in the chat box in the comment, and I'll see you next time. All right. In our Facebook group live, very soon. All right. All right. I wish you all the very best. Bye bye and take care. Bye bye, guys.